children, how are you? Welcome to our EVS class. Children, now it's time for prayer. All of you close your eyes. Let's start. Asatoma Shakkamaya Tamasoma Jyotirkamaya Vrityoma Amadam Kamaya Shanti Shanti Shantihi. Children, slowly open your eyes. Children, today we are going to see a new concept. Before going to the session, shall we do our energizer? That is Simon Says. Children, listen. First, I will give you the instructions. You should listen and follow. Listen, children. If I ask you to do any action along with the word Simon Says, you should do that, or else you should not follow the instructions. For example, if I say Simon Says, stand up, you have to stand up, or else you need not to stand up. Children, are you clear with the instructions? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Let's start. Simon Says, clap your hands. Simon Says, sit down. Stand up. Simon Says, close your eyes. Open your eyes. Simon Says, touch your head. Simon Says, touch your hand. Blink your eyes. Open your eyes. Simon Says, clap your hands. Super, children. Very good. Children, say, how many types of festival are there? What are they? Yes, it is of two types. They are religious festival and national festival. Children, tell, what is meant by religious festival? Yes, there are many religious festivals in India. These festivals are celebrated by people of different religions. Children, tell, how many types of religious festival we have? Yes, it is of 4 types. They are Diwali, Eid, Guru Parva and Christmas. Children, tell, what is meant by national festival? Yes, there are some other festivals that can be celebrated commonly by all people. Those are known as national festival. Children, tell, how many types of national festival we have? What are they? Yes, it is of 3 types. Gandhi Jayanti, Independence Day and Republic Day. Children, tell, in last class, what concept we saw? Yes, you are right. Gandhi Jayanti. Children, once again shall we recall the concept of Gandhi Jayanti? Listen. Children, tell, on which day we are celebrating Gandhi Jayanti? Yes, Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on the birthday occasion of Mahatma Gandhi. 2nd October of every year. Children, tell, who is known as father of our nation? Yes, Mahatma Gandhi is our father of our nation. Children, tell, what is the full name of Gandhiji? Yes, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi is the full name of Gandhiji, but people called him Babu. Children say, why he fought with other country? Yes, he fought for the freedom of our country. Children say, which is the favorite devotional song of Gandhiji? Yes, Raghupati Raghav Rajaram is the favorite devotional song of Gandhiji. Children, in this class, we are going to see about Independence Day. Children tell, on which day we will hoist our flag? Yes, August 15, on the occasion of Independence Day, we will hoist our flag and celebrate. Children say, what will you badge on your shirt or dress on that special occasion? Yes, we will wear the national flag on that special day. Children say, why we are celebrating Independence Day? Yes, we got our independence on 15th August. So, we celebrated this day of every year as Independence Day. Children say, who is the first Prime Minister of Independent India? Yes, Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of Independent India. Children say, where the flag will be hoisted by our Prime Minister? Yes, our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort in New Delhi. Children tell, how we will celebrate the Independence Day? Yes, we fly kites on that special day to celebrate freedom and Independence Day. Children, now it's time for homework. Listen, read the concept of Independence Day, page number 30 in book, and record your audio, send it through Google Classroom. Children, now we are going to see about the rewards for your homework. Now look at this slide. I awarded with 2 smileys for those who have finished their homework on time. Children, so don't be delay in submitting your work for the next session. So I need all your columns to be filled with 2 smileys. Children, now I am going to read the name of 2 smiley students. Ajay, Ridanya, Kritik Varshan, Tarun, Akash Vikram, Mitra, Sugan, Shamrita, Danish, Sarvin, Danya Srinidhi, Lavit Kumar, Ritik Nath and P. Kishore. Children, give a applause for them. Super children, keep it up. I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, keep learning. Thank you children.